Yes, children, in part 1 we have finished the lesson, right? What is the lesson name? The mouse and the pencil. The mouse and the pencil. Yes, so here we have finished the lesson. So we'll go for this comprehension. Comprehension, okay? See. Answer the following questions. See, answer the following questions. See, first one. Why did the mouse run away looking at the picture? Here mouse is running away looking at the picture. No, why it is running? Yes, it is. It is. Say. As it thought the diagram as a real cat and it ran away by looking at the picture. So no, see here, when the pencil drew the cat, old cat, see here it is laughing, the pencil is laughing here. Why it is laughing? Because it is not a real cat. This mouse only cried out in terror and it ran away. Is it a real cat? No. But this mouse don't know that it is a real cat. It thought that this mouse don't know that it is not a real cat. It thought it was a real cat and ran away. See, here mouse is laughing. Here also it is laughing. Yes. Next one. If you were the mouse, what would you do? If you were the mouse, what would you do? Yes, if I was in its place, first I would have checked the cat is real or not. Yes or no? First we have to check it is real or not. Then we have to run away. It just saw the diagram and it thought it was a real cat and ran away. So it is dumb. It has no brain at all to think. Yes or no? Yes. Next. The pencil drew a dash circle. Firstly, here, what did the pencil draw? See here. The pencil drew a dash circle. Which circle? Big circle. So, right here, big. B-I-G. Big. The pencil drew a big circle. Next. The pencil drew 3 little things inside the dash. See here, second in this. See here. The pencil drew 3 little things in the dash. Here. It drew 3 little things in the which circle? First circle. See, the pencil drew 3 little things inside the first circle. First spelling F-I-R-S-T. First. Circle spelling C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. First circle. First circle. Next. Finally, the pencil drew a dash. What did the pencil draw? What did the pencil draw? At the end, yes. What? Cat, yes or no? Yes, right here. Cat. C-A-T, cat. Cat, C-A-T, cat. See here, the pencil first drew a which circle? Small circle or big circle? Yes, big circle. Then the pencil drew 3 little things inside the which circle? Yes, first circle. Finally, the pencil drew a cat. Meow meow. Yes or no? Which sound? What type of sound that cat make? Yes, meow meow. Right? Yes. Cat is also our pet, right? Yes or no? Yes, some people raise cats as their pets. Some raise dogs as their pets. Yes or no? Pet animals. Cat, dog. Yes, parrot also. Yes, see. Complete the following table as directed. See here. When the pencil drew, the mouse asked. See what he is saying. When the pencil drew a big circle, what the mouse asked. Here, when the pencil drew first circle, what did the mouse ask? It asked as, is that cheese? For the first circle, it asked that, is that cheese? Yes or no? Then the pencil drew second circle. Then what did he ask? He asked, is that an apple? Yes or no, children? Yes. Next, when it drew three little things inside the first one, what did mouse say? It said, are those cucumbers? Yes or no? Yes. Now we have to write the things in this blank. Okay, see here. Yes, first when the pencil drew a big circle, what did the mouse say? What did the mouse ask? It asked, see here we have in the lesson. Yes, when the pencil drew the big circle, first circle, what mouse asked? Is that cheese? So we have to write here. See, is that cheese? See here, is T-H-A-T, that cheese, C-H-E-E-Z-D, cheese. Is that cheese? This is small z, children. Big, okay, capital Z is like this, but it is small z. Okay, yes. Is that cheese? Who asked it, children? Yes, the mouse asked whom? The pencil. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, now second one. When the pencil drew, yes, no, second one. When the pencil drew a big circle under the first one, what did the mouse say? See here. Here the pencil is drawing a big circle under the small circle, right? So what did the mouse say? It said that, is that an apple? Yes, mouse asked, is that an apple? Right here, is T-H-A-T, that, A-N and A-P-P-L-E, apple. Is that an apple? See here we have a question mark here, and yes, these are known as inverted commas or quotation marks. Okay, here we know this is question mark, these are inverted commas or quotation marks. We already have that here. Okay, yes, here is that an apple. Next one, three little things inside small circle. Yes, when the pencil drew three little things inside the circle, same small circle, what did the mouse ask? See here, the pencil drew three little things inside the first circle. Then what did the mouse say? Yes, are those cucumbers? Yes, now write here, A-R-E-R-T-H-O-S-E, those cucumbers. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R-S. Okay, are those cucumbers? Who asked that? Mouse asked. Yes, now you see here, when the pencil drew a big circle, the mouse asked, is that cheese? Next, when the pencil drew a big circle under the first one, the mouse asked, is that an apple? Next, when the pencil drew three little things inside small circle, the mouse asked, are those cucumbers? Okay, now we finished this 45th page number. Okay, now we'll go for this 46th page number. Vocabulary. Here you see, the pencil vocabulary A. The pencil drew a picture of a cat. Yes or no? Yes. Who draw the picture of a cat? Pencil drawn a picture of a cat. Okay, if you want to draw a beautiful colorful picture, what materials do you need? Write them, one is done for you. Okay, now pencil drew a picture of a cat. You also like to draw pictures, right? Yes or no? So many drew the pictures, right? Yes. So if you want to draw a picture of a colorful and beautiful picture, what materials, what items do you want? Yes, here drawing. For drawing a picture, what items you need? You have to write first crayons. Yes or no? Crayons. What are crayons? Colorful, which we fill the diagrams. Yes or no? Colors. Yes, crayons. Then what we need? Think and write. Write in this small circles. See here. Yes, here for drawing we need crayons. Yes or no? Crayons, colors. Yes or no? Yes, you all know crayons. You all have crayons. Yes, I know. Next, what you need to draw a picture? First of all, we need a paper. Yes or no? Yes, paper. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. We need paper. Yes or no? Next, how you draw? You draw with a pencil, right? Yes, pencil. Right, pencil. P-E-N-C-L-T-I-L. Pencil. We need paper to draw, pencil to draw, and then we need eraser also. Yes or no? While drawing, if anything goes mistake, then we can rub it, right? We can erase it, right? Yes. Next, eraser. Paper, pencil, eraser. Okay. Next, yes, to measure the picture, we need scale. Yes or no? To measure the lines or something, we need scale. Yes, S-C-A-L-E, scale. Okay. Yes. Next, yes, we need drawing board also, right? Drawing board, right here. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. B-O-A-R-D, board. Drawing board, or we can draw on our plans also. Drawing board. Okay. D-R-A-W-I-N-G-B-O-A-R-D, board. Drawing board. And then, yes, we need sharpener also, right? Sharpener. Yes, S-H-A-R-P-N-E-R. No, wait. See, I wrote here sharpener spelling wrong, right? See. See, if you do any mistake, eraser is used to erase it. See here. Sharpener. C-H-A-R-P-E-N-E-R. Sharpener. Okay. Then next, we need drawing charts also. Charts. Okay. Yes. See. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. Charts. C-H-A-R-T-S. Charts. Drawing charts. Okay. See, paper, pencil, eraser, scale, drawing board, sharpener, drawing charts, crayons. Okay. Now you see B. In the story, the mouse was hungry. It was thinking of different food items. What food items do you remember when you are hungry? Yes, in the story, the mouse was hungry, right? It bit the pencil also. Yes or no? Yes, hungry అంటే you know తెలుసు ఆకలి వేస్తుంది అనమాట. ఫుల్ ఆకలి దాన్ని హంగ్రీ, ఆకలి వేస్తుందని we call hungry. Okay. Yes, it was thinking of different food items. Yes, it was thinking of different food items when a pencil is drawing that, right? What it is thinking? It is thinking as cheese. It is thinking about cheese, then apple, then cucumber. Yes or no? Yes. So here what he is saying, what food items do you remember when you are hungry? ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఆకలేస్తే మీరు ఏ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్ని ఆలోచిస్తారు, ఏ ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్ తినాలనుకుంటారు? Yes, that we have to write. Okay. Yes, tell me what food items you wanted to eat when you are hungry, you feel hungry. Tell me. Okay, when I am hungry, I want to eat delicious food items. Like, see, I like biryani a lot. Yes or no? Yes, you too like biryani, right? Some eat chicken, some don't eat chicken. Yes or no? So first one, write food with favorite curry. Yes or no? Some like chicken, some don't like chicken. You can write here your the curry's name which you like the most. Okay. See, favorite curry. You can write your curry name also. Food with I like chicken, so food with chicken curry. If you like paneer, food with paneer curry. Like that you can write. Okay. Yes. So here I am writing favorite curry. Okay. Favorite spelling F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Favorite ante ishtamainadi. You know already. Yes. Food with favorite curry. C-U-R-R-Y, curry. Next. Yes, you like fruits also, no? Your favorite fruits also. Yes or no? So write fruits. And what you remember when you're hungry? Yes, sweets. Yes or no? Sweets like payasam. Yes or no? Yes, payasam. P capital letter. Okay. Payasam. Payasam. Yes, next. Next, write down. Food with favorite curry. Fruits. What do you remember when you are hungry? Think and write. It is not necessary to write only the things which I write in it. If you want to write some other things, you can write. Okay. Yes, next. Yes, ice cream also. Sir, no? Ice cream. And what more? Your favorite snacks? Yes or no? Like, yes, snacks. Okay. Snacks. Done. Yes. See, food with favorite curry, fruits, payasam, ice cream, and snacks. Okay. By this we have finished this. In the next class we'll go for the next page. Okay. Yes. Take care, children.